Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by waking your iPhone and long pressing the lock screen so the editor opens immediately. Once the gallery appears, tap the plus button to create a new lock screen or choose an existing one to modify. Make sure your device is on the latest iOS build if options don't match, otherwise continue. You'll see wallpaper, widgets, and customize options. Tap wallpaper first to pick photos or Apple collections, because that sets the background context for the rest of the changes. Now focus on the middle steps. Choose the wallpaper type, photo, emoji, weather, color, or astronomy, because that determines layering and contrast. Tap the clock to change font, weight, and color. Pick a readable style so notifications stay legible. Next, add widgets. You can place small ones above the clock and up to 4 below, like calendar or battery. Once done, use the depth effect or blur controls for clarity, and preview with notifications to confirm visibility and spacing. Finish by tapping Done to save, and optionally set this lock screen as your current one or tie it to a focus profile. Once saved, you can swipe between lock screens to verify layout and behavior, and edit or delete any variant from the editor. If your edits don't appear, restart the phone and confirm notifications and focus settings aren't blocking widgets. If problems persist, check iOS updates and free storage. Then retry. These steps usually resolve sync or rendering glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.